Yes, that's always a good thing. Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos. And I'm at Mother's house. And I'm making a few more videos. I've got some other things to do for her inside the house. So keep watching my channel. And you'll see what I'm up to. Yeah. Yeah. Speaking of that, what else is on my list at Mother's house? Let's see what else I'm going to do. I just got back from the store, and I'm going to give you a few tips on saving some money at the hardware store. Okay. I've got 2 toilet seats here that I'm going to replace, and these happen to be the elongated style toilet seats. Make sure you get the right size. You got elongated like an egg or a round one. And this just happened to be the brand that that Lowe's sold, but they had different ones. They had American Standard. They also had 2 or 3 different name brands. The American Standard was $31, $32, and another one was like $42. This one was $24.95. Same thing. It was plastic. It was it's self-closing, not self-closing, slow close. And I thought I was going to get the American Standard ones, but that would have cost me like $12 more plus tax. $13 extra. What for? I just saved Mother $13 on 2 toilet seats, and then I got some. I actually got this Loctite super glue gel. I got to fix her little car key ring. And do you know, Home Depot and Lowe's? Okay, of course they have this. It's probably that little bit probably cost you $4 or $5 at the store. Well, she had a dollar store next to Home Depot or Lowe's. I walked over there and got this from the dollar store. So guess how much it cost me? Well, dollar stores nowadays, they raised everything to $1.25 instead of $1. This cost me $1.25 instead of like $5. Okay, same thing. It's going to work too. They also had super glue. This is super glue gel. I like to use the gel. They also had regular super glue, and they had 2 containers of regular super glue for $1.25. Way cheaper than buying it at Home Depot or Lowe's. And then I've got some filters. I'm going to be changing those, and these just happen to be 20 by 20s, but this was a 3-pack. And see, it says value pack. Value pack. And this happened to be the basic ones, but it's from Filtrete, and it still has the white cloth on there. They're not the very, very generic ones, but these will be fine. And buying a 3-pack of this is cheaper than buying them single, okay? And so I needed a couple of those, and she actually needed some. Look how big these are. Oh, where's the size on this one? Oh, here it is. 20 by 36. Have you ever seen one that big? She happens to have them. 20 by 30 is the biggest one I've ever seen. And Lowe's used to not even sell them, and Home Depot doesn't sell them, and then Lowe's started carrying them, and so I ended up getting some, and for some reason they were really cheap. And of course it says basic. There's three different ones you can get: a basic, and then you get a better, best, very best, whatever. But they only had this in one size, and it happened to be just the basic. But see, it still has the waffle type, and it's white, and not those clear, really chintzy ones that you can find. And I think these will work fine. And the funny thing is, one time I was at Lowe's, and there was an air conditioning guy standing there looking at filters when I was looking at filters, and he explained to me, hey, depending what kind of air conditioning system you have, you don't want to put in the very best or the best type of filters, depending what kind of system you have, is because they're a lot thicker, and it takes a lot more air to be sucked up through that. And if your air conditioner is not a brand new one, and depending what kind it is and all that kind of stuff, he said, did you know you could overheat your air conditioner, you could make it work harder than it should because it's trying to suck so hard through the filter, because the filter is so dense and it's so good that it's not a good idea. And it got me to thinking, hey, most people, they try to buy the most expensive one. You can buy these for $22, $26 a piece, believe it or not. These cost me $6 and they're going to work just fine. Okay, so I saved a lot of money on that. I saved money on those. I saved money on the toilet seats. I saved money on this. And what else could you save money at? Specifically the dollar store. Hey, I got that from the dollar store. The other thing they had, and I was kind of surprised, they have gloves like I use all the time. These are the rubber type gloves on the inside, and then they're washable, breathable on the outside that you can stretch and stuff. And I use those all the time. And I've been getting them from the Home Depot whenever I go there. If I see those on sale, because lots of times you can buy them single or in a 2-pack, and they might be $5-6 a pair, just for one pair. But you wait, and sometimes they'll sell them in a 3-pack, or they'll sell them in a 5-pack. I've seen them in a 5-pack, a 7-pack, and a 10-pack before. And then you can get them for cheaper. Well, nowadays, for a 5-pack, I think it's like $7.99. It might be $8.99 because the prices have gone up. And a 10-pack, I haven't actually seen a 10-pack in the last year or so, but they had a 7-pack for $5.99 one time, and the 5-pack for what was it, $4.99 or $3.99 or something like that. So they were like $1.25 a pair that way. Rather, you just don't want to buy these like one single pair for $6. What's the point, right? I use those around the house all the time on construction work. When I was working on the deck and working in the backyard, I wore those all the time. And I saw them at the dollar store. It cost me $1.20, or I didn't get any, but they were exactly like this, $1.25. Okay? So, you know, think about certain things, and if you're going to do things around the house on your own, you can save money. That's what my channel. I'm not sure if I'm going to make a video of this or not. I probably will for the toilet seats, and fixing a sticky deadbolt on the front door screen, on the screen door. I'll probably make a video of that too. But hey, that's what my channel is all about. Is talking about things that an average Joe should be able to fix around the house. Okay, are you an average Joe? Well, you can be an average Joe, and you don't have to have that much experience in doing how-to projects, and that's why, and that's what I show. Hey, I was a general contractor for years, but lots of the different things that I do on my channel, I didn't do until after I stopped doing contracting, and I started having to do everything on my own. Okay, lots of the stuff I did, I subbed out to different contractors and stuff, and I would only do certain things and stuff. But hey, after that, I still had certain things. I wasn't going to call a drywaller every time I needed to patch a hole in a wall. You know, I had to figure out stuff like that on my own. So I thought, hey, that's why I'll make my channel. I'll put all kinds of different things on there, and you can find all that kind of stuff when you go to my channel. Go to my main YouTube channel page and click on playlists, then scroll down. I've got many different DIY topic playlists on my channel, and if it says electrical, then all my electrical videos that I've ever done will be in electrical. All my drywall will be under drywall. All the painting will be under painting. All the stuff for different things will be there. I've got nature videos, inspirational videos, health related videos, all kinds of stuff. And that's the best place to go, is to the playlists. Scroll down there. Oh, you can watch my videos forever. I've got over 3,000 videos on my channel. Check it out. Hey, grab your favorite cup of Joe or a big old huge bowl of popcorn. Sit there, learn some stuff, laugh a few times, cuss at me a few times, yell at me a few times. all all the different stuff. And know that if you want to tackle some of those things that I show on my channel, most of those things I do on my own. And I show you how, and I explain to you how, and I go step by step, DIY for the beginner, basically. Okay? Check all that stuff out. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can subscribe to my channel, hit the little bell so that you make sure that you never miss a new video that I happen to post. And I post often, so you can look at those. But if you ever are looking for something, go to my playlists, and you have to get there. Off my main YouTube channel page will show videos, all videos, playlists, about, and something else. We'll click on playlists. Then it will take you to that area. You can scroll down all the different playlists I have on my channel, and you too can be an average Joe and save that money around the house, because hey, everything costs so much more nowadays. It's ridiculous. I can't believe it. That's why you got to start doing things yourself around the house.